Imagine buying something today without actually paying for it. Just a small message on the screen that says, "Pay later." 4 easy payments. No stress. It sounds convenient, and that is exactly why millions of people are using buy now, pay later services today. Apps like Klarna, Affirm, and Afterpay make it incredibly easy to shop. But here is the problem. Many people don't realize they are slowly building something dangerous: invisible debt. It doesn't feel like traditional debt. There are no big loan documents, no serious bank meetings, just a simple button: buy now, pay later. And suddenly, the purchase feels harmless. Maybe it's a pair of shoes. Maybe a new phone accessory. Maybe something small that costs only $20 a month. At first, it feels manageable. $20 does not seem like much. But then, another purchase appears. Another small payment, and another. Soon, you have 5 or 6 different payments happening every month. And that's where the invisible trap begins. The real power of buy now, pay later services is psychological. They remove the pain. In the past, when people used cash, they could feel the money leaving their hands. Even using a debit card created a small moment of hesitation. But buy now, pay later removes that friction. Instead of seeing a large price, you see something small. Only $20 today. Only $30 next month. Your brain focuses on the small number, not the real total cost. And because the payment feels small, it becomes easy to repeat the behavior. Another order, another payment plan, another small commitment. Until one day, you realize something surprising. You're not paying for one product anymore. You're paying for 5 or 10. And every single month, your income is already partially spoken for. Now let's talk about the real damage this can cause. Many buy now, pay later services charge late fees. Some also report missed payments to credit bureaus. That means one missed payment can hurt your credit score. Suddenly, a small online purchase begins to affect bigger parts of your financial life. Your ability to get a credit card, a car loan, even an apartment in some cases. Another hidden problem is something called payment stacking. This is when multiple small payments pile up at the same time. One payment is $20, another is $30, another is $15. Individually, they seem small, but together, they can become a serious monthly burden. And when money becomes tight, it's easy to miss one of those payments. That's when the trap becomes real. So how do you avoid falling into this invisible debt cycle? The first strategy is something called the 24-hour rule. Before using buy now, pay later, wait 24 hours. Give your brain time to think. Most impulse purchases lose their emotional excitement after one day. The second strategy is the one payment rule. Never have more than one buy now, pay later plan active at the same time. This keeps your monthly obligations simple and manageable. The third strategy is the full price question. Before buying something, ask yourself one honest question. Would I still buy this if I had to pay the full price today? If the answer is no, the purchase probably isn't necessary. These simple habits create something powerful: awareness. And awareness is the first step towards financial control. Because the goal is not just avoiding debt. The goal is building freedom. Freedom from constant payments. Freedom from financial stress. Freedom to use your money intentionally. So the next time you see that tempting button on a shopping app that says "pay later," pause, think, and remember that the easiest debt to avoid is the debt you never create. If this video helped you see buy now, pay later in a new way, press the like button so more people can learn about this invisible trap. And subscribe if you want more simple ideas about money, psychology, and building better financial habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.